सो वेलकम बैक डियर स्टूडेंट्स। और आज हम क्लास 9th लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स का लास्ट वीडियो अपलोड करने जा रहे हैं और उसके बाद ये चैप्टर हमारा एनसीईआरटी के अकॉर्डिंग हो जाता है कंप्लीट। इस पर हमने सारी थ्योरम सीख ली है और आई थिंक लास्ट वीडियो में 2 क्वेश्चंस हमने लगाए थे स्टार्टिंग के 1 और 2, और आज हमको लास्ट 4 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करने। उससे पहले एक व्यूवर में एक बच्चे ने कमेंट किया था, मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि बेटा इफ़ ए इज़ टू बी, और समझ लीजिए x इज़ टू वाई इक्वल्स टू 3:7 दिया है, तो हम ऐसा क्यों लेते हैं x इक्वल्स टू 3a एंड y इक्वल्स टू 7a। सवाल ये था कि 7b क्यों नहीं लिया जाता, है ना। तो एक बच्चे ने पूछा कि सर आप ही बता दीजिए, तो चलो मैं टीचर हूँ, मेरा काम है, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, ठीक है। समझने की कोशिश करना। देखो रेशो आपने पढ़ा है, रेशनल नंबर आपने पढ़े, रेशो आपने पढ़ा है। मैं आपको एक नंबर देता हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल 8/64, ठीक है। ठीक, आप इसका क्या आंसर लिखते हैं बताइए? 1/8 ये तो लिखते हैं आपने, जिसको छोटी क्लास में लोवेस्ट फॉर्म कहते हैं और यहाँ बड़ी क्लास में हम कहते हैं P and Q शुड बी कोप्राइम, है ना। तो देखो वापस इससे ये क्या है, इसको मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ, दिस वाज A एंड दिस वाज B, ठीक है। बट व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज A:B, ये A रेशो B का आंसर है 1:8, लेकिन इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि A 1 था और B 8 था। क्लियर हो गई बात, समझ में आया ना। ये A कितना था 8 और B कितना था 64, बट इसका ये मतलब तो, और आंसर कितना आया 1/8, 1:8। तो क्या मैं से कॉन्क्लूजन निकाल लूँ कि A की वैल्यू 1 थी और B की वैल्यू 8 थी? अगर मैं निकालूंगा तो गलत हो जाएगा, साफ साफ दिख रहा है। तो हम क्या मानते हैं, देखो इसका मतलब इन दोनों के पास कुछ रहा होगा सेम जो कट गया होगा, है ना। आपको पता है इस क्वेश्चन में वो क्या था, वो 8 था। अब देख लो, समझ में आ रही है बात। तो इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे जैसे x इज़ टू वाई 3:7 है, तो मैं x की जगह 3 टाइम्स ऑफ कुछ मान लूँगा, कुछ, और वही कुछ मुझे किसके साथ देना पड़ेगा, y के साथ। आ गई बात समझ में। तो इससे अगर मैं यहाँ पे a पुट करता हूँ तो यहाँ पे भी a ही रखना पड़ेगा, अगर x के साथ b पुट करता हूँ तो y के साथ भी b पुट करना पड़ेगा। ये बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है, हम लोगों को हैबिट तो होती है, लेकिन अगर कभी कोई पूछ ले तो हम लोग बता नहीं पाते हैं। तो होप सो क्लियर हो गया होगा, है ना। कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताना बेटा कि आपका ये क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं, ठीक है। अब आ जाते हैं एक्सरसाइज पे। तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। कोई डायग्राम भी है, टिल देन पॉज द वीडियो, बुक तो मेरे पास। So this is question number 3, given AB is parallel to DE and as you can see A is transversal. So also given angle BAC equals to 35 degree, angle BAC, or we can say it also as angle BAE, okay. This is 35 degree, angle CDE, this is 53 degree, and we have to find out angle DCE. This one angle we have to find out. Okay, let's see what we can do. As we can see, we have given 2 parallel lines AB and DE, and A is a transversal. So one theorem says that alternate interior angles will be equal. Okay, so I am using that. Angle CED is equals to angle BAC. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. Getting or not? Okay. Therefore angle CED, this will be equals to 35 degree, isn't it? Okay. Now what we have to find out, I have found out that this angle, this is a triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, what we are going to apply internal angle sum property, which says that the sum of all the 3 angles will be equals to 180 degree. So let's start. Let's use that property. Therefore angle CDE plus angle DCE plus angle CED should be equals to 180 degree. Sum of all these angles should be equals to 180 degree. Let us put the values. What is the value of angle CDE? Where it is? Angle CDE, that is, I think I have, no, correct, 53 degree, plus angle DCE we have to find out, so it will be written as it is, and angle CED is 35 degree equals to 180. Rest of things you know very well. This will be angle DCE, this will be equals to 180 degree minus sum of these 2 angles, and that is going to be 88 degree. Angle DCE is equals to 92 degree. Understood? So pause the video and note it down. Okay, now let's see question number 4. It says that in figure 6.42, I have drawn here, if lines PQ and RS, this is the line PQ and this is the line RS, and these are intersecting at a point T, such that angle PRT is 40 degree, angle RPT equals to 95, angle STSQ is equals to 75 degree. And then question says find angle SQT. Very good, great question. Now tell me, is there any statement given that lines are parallel? No, nothing is given in the question. It means if there is no any given like two lines are parallel, so we cannot use those theorem in which the statement is if two lines are parallel. So forget, in this question, forget about that theorems. So what we will do, before that we have used vertically opposite, angle sum property of triangle, external angle sum property. We have only three things and we can use them. Getting or not? So first what I will apply, suppose let's say this angle is x, so this is vertically opposite, this will also equals to x. Now the question is how I will find the value of this x, by applying angle sum property in this triangle. So let us apply. Let angle PTR is equals to x. I have assumed it as a x. Okay, in triangle PRT, by angle sum property, angle may I write directly? Okay, 95 degree plus 40 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree, and here I am mentioning the property, that is angle sum property of triangle. Getting or not? This will be 135 degree plus x equals to 180 degree, transpose x will be equals to 180 minus 35, so x will be equals to 145. This sorry I'm so sorry, that this will be equals to 45 degree, correct? Okay, now see, these two are pair of vertically opposite angles, therefore angle STQ will be equals to x, so angle STQ will also be equals to 45 degree, reason being vertically opposite angles. Getting or not? Now let's come in this triangle again by applying angle sum property. So I am writing here similarly, you can also write similarly in triangle, what is the name, STQ, let's write STQ, angle QTS plus angle TSQ plus angle SQT is equals to 180 degree. X means 45 degree plus TSQ is 75 given, and plus this we have to find out, so we are not using any alphabet other than given. So this will be angle SQT equals to 180 degree. The sum of 75 and 45 will become 120. So angle SQT will be equals to 180 minus 120, and we are going to get the answer, that is 60 degree. Understood? Any doubt? No doubt. Very good. Pause the video and note it down. Now let's see question number 5. In figure 6.43, I have drawn here. It says PQ is perpendicular to PS. This PQ is perpendicular to PS. It means the question is saying it is 90 degree. I have already written angle SPQ equals to 90 degree. Second statement is PQ is parallel to SR. Here I have mentioned in the given section. Angle SQR equals to 28 degree and angle QRT equals to 65 degree. And then the question says find the values of X and Y. Let's see what we can do. We have given parallel line, two parallel lines. Transversals are also there. Also, it's a question of triangles, two triangles are there, so lots of things we can do. So first of all, what I am applying, pay attention all of you, I am using external angle sum property. Getting or not? Which says if one side of a triangle is produced, then the angle so formed is equals to the sum of two opposite angles. It means the sum of this angle and this angle will be equals to 65 degree. So let us apply. In triangle, what is the name, SQR, angle Let us write directly. 28 degree plus QSR will be equals to 65 degree, angle QSR. So angle QSR equals to 65 minus 28, and at the same time I should mention by external angle sum property. Getting or not? Okay. So angle QSR, this will be equals to 32 degree. 42. 37 degree. Correct? Okay. So angle QSR we have got, this is 37 degree. Now see how we will find out the value of angle Y. Or we can use directly here that PQ and ST are two parallel lines, it is given, and see SQ is a transversal, therefore this angle and this angle will be equal or not. So let us apply. Since PQ is parallel to ST and SQ is a transversal, therefore angle QSR will be equals to, I should write here X, alternate interior angles. Getting? Therefore angle QSR is equals to 37 degree. Understood? So we have find out the value of angle QSR, angle X. QSR we have already written, angle X equals to 37 degree. Now how will you find out the value of angle Y? You can use here internal angle sum property. Okay. In triangle, what is the name? PQS. Angle 90 degree plus Y plus value of X is 37 degree is equals to 180 degree by internal angle sum property. Y will be equals to 180 degree minus 127 degree. Y will be equals to this will be 53. 53. Understood? 53 degree. So this will be our answer. Understood? So here we have find out value of angle X, and here we have found out value of angle Y. So pause the video and note it down. Okay, now question number 6 in figure 6.44. There I have drawn that figure. The side QR of triangle PQR produced to a point S. The side QR of triangle PQR is produced to point S. Whenever there is a statement the side of one triangle is produced, the theorem which says that about the sum of external angle, that should be immediately clicked in our mind. Okay, next is, if the bisector of angle PQR and PRS, where are the bisector? This is the bisector of angle PQR. QT is the bisector of angle PQR and RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Bisector means it must be dividing the angle into equal parts. So let's say, let us assume that these parts are equals to X and these parts will be equals to Y. Understood? So let us say these two parts are equals to X and X, and these two parts are equals to Y and Y. Okay, now what we have to prove? To prove that, we have to prove angle QTR is equals to half of angle QPR. Getting? Okay, so we cannot use here any lines and angles theorem. We have only two theorems that are related to the triangle. So let us use the external angle sum property of a triangle. In triangle PQR. You see here, angle QPR plus this angle. This angle means twice of x. This will be equals to the sum of this external angle. This should be equals to 2y. Understood? So this will be equation number 1. Here I am writing by external angle sum property. Getting? Okay. Again we are using external angle sum property in this triangle QTR, because here we can say the side QR of triangle QTR is produced to S. Similarly, I am writing it directly. Similarly, in triangle TQR, angle QTR plus this angle QTR plus angle X. Getting or not? Here we will not write twice of X, only angle X is equals to angle Y, not 2y. Getting? Now see what we can do. We can multiply this equation by 2. If I will multiply this equation by 2, then this will become 2QTR plus 2x equals to 2y. Getting or not? Okay. So here I am writing multiplying by 2. So here it is 2 times of QTR plus x equals to y. If I am multiplying the equation, so I should make this kind of sign initially. Later on we will remove this. So this will be twice of angle QTR plus twice of angle x equals to twice of angle y. Wherever you are multiplying with an equation with any number, equation means which contain 2 parts, left and right hand, then each and every part should be multiplied. Now see, let's say this is equation 2. Things which are equal to the same thing are also equals to one another. So here you can see clearly the right hand side of equation 2 is 2y and the right hand side of equation 1 is also 2y. Therefore their left part will also be equal. So what I mostly says from 1 and 2. You all must be habitual of this angle QPR, isn't it? Equals to angle twice of angle QTR plus twice of x. These two will cancelled out. Okay, what will remain here? Angle QPR is equals to twice of angle QTR. Now what we have to prove here, nothing should be with QTR. Here 2 is with QTR. If I will transpose, what it will be angle QTR equals to half of angle QPR. So we have proved. So angle QTR is equals to half of angle QPR. We have proved this. Understood? So by this we have completed chapter number 6. Now listen, class 9th students. So many chapters are in mathematics, but so far I am just stopping mathematics here, and now onwards we will start studying physics and chemistry. So after this I will be uploading only the videos of physics and chemistry. If you haven't seen the videos of mathematics so far, it is my request that the time is flying, so please keep watching the videos and noting down the work. The time is most costly. Okay, so see you in the next video. Next video will be about physics chapter number 1, that is motion. Don't miss that video. Also, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. If you are liking my videos, hit the like and also share with any student who is needy, who wants to learn something from internet. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day and Jai Hind.